So this is my code here for my robot car. IN1 and IN2 are for the one motor, and then 3 and 4 are for the other motor. So that's just stating that. And then I also have the ultrasonic sensor module on here, and then I am defining that right here, and it is in pin 3 and 4 in my Arduino. And then this is basically telling the Arduino the distance, and then basically all these are my functions. So I have different buttons I press on my remote, and then it will go and make the motors go straight, left or right, reverse, and stop. So basically that's just stating that right here. With stop is just everything's just low because it switched all the motors off. And then and then left is low on the left motor because it shuts that off, and then high and low because IN3 has to be high, and then IN4 has to be low for it to work. So and then my void setup is just stating all my pins I have, and then they're all output here. So that's for that. And then this void loop here is basically saying that it's basically sensing the distance, and then if the distance is less than or equal to 30, it will stop, so it won't hit a wall. And that's basically my code for my robot car with my distance sensor, and the IR receiver. So you can see that right here on my Arduino. Just gonna plug it in here. Just plug it in, and then give it a quick demo here. So when I press play and then I point it at the motor, it'll go, and then volume up is stopping it. And then if I want to go left, and then I stopped it again. And then if I want to go left, I just hit this button here. Just hit the side button, and then right would be the other button on the right. And then you can see how it works when it gets close to an object. So now it's going forward, and then it will stop because it's less than or equal to 30 centimeters. So that's my robot car.